is Jinshi. Mao, my love. Logo reveal. Today, we are checking out the new episode of the Apothecary Diaries. If you enjoy the video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you can find the full link as well as exclusives over on Patreon. Corrupting other women related to her. That's crazy, dude. Why? He feels guilty about cheating on her, so he lets her abuse people. Insects are better than her? Damn, bro. Of course not, dude. Yo, you could just be a better mom. She's not the only option of like what a mom is. I have no father or mother, just a dad. I like that. Damn. She lying to you, bro. She playing the role of Lolon when she ain't really Lolon. Fucking kill these kids. Alternatively, they would have been fucking imprisoned or killed anyways, so this is at least like a more peaceful one. To turn her into an insect. That's correct. She brought you here to die. Well, to kill her. She ain't saying none of that, dude. Same. I feel that. Oh, wait. Is she gonna try and save her? Bro, I think she's gonna try and save her. Oh, never mind. She said, I'm trying to die. Fuck pride. Agreed. Damn. Tackle her, bro. Don't let her fucking kill herself. What? Good luck killing yourself. Girl, you got too much shit in your hair already. Like, what are you gonna do? You gonna put all that shit in your hair? Damn. Boy, you pretty. Oh. Cannons. Oh, shit. So they're gonna try and cannonball us if we approach. Oh, who would have thought that it would get done for them? A fight is about winning and losing. It's as simple as that. I agree with a great commandment. Commandant. What did he say? We need to limit casualties. Approach that girl differently from now on. Oh, he gonna have to approach our girl differently from now on. He really wants to be dead. Yeah, she's a fucking bitch. You should have been killed her, bro. You have a responsibility to your people. To be fair, he did it because she got called into the palace. He cheated because she got called into the palace to become a concubine. Yeah, dude. Oh, Brooke. Why don't you take my daughter as your wife? Who is the doctor? Is the doctor the one that taught our boy? That taught our doctor? This is the emperor. So he's about to marry Shenmei. He's like engaged to Shenmei. Then the emperor says, yo, I want you to also marry my daughter, but she's not my daughter. She's actually the daughter of an adulterous relationship between the little girl that I was fucking and the doctor. How dare they do that? Oh, and so we exiled that child along with the doctor. So he's basically asking him to take a second wife. And he can't reject it because it's the emperor. The emperor's like, yo, I need you to fuck on my illegitimate daughter. Oh, technically his first wife. Technically. Damn, bro. And what's really fucked up is she has no standing. She's a nobody because she's been exiled. So, yo, Shisho, I need you to actually marry this random ass lady who does nothing for you instead of marrying into the family where you would get all the good shit. Oh, so he cut the deal. Oh my God. Okay, so he said, yeah, I'll take your not daughter, but daughter as my wife if you release the woman that I actually love from having to be a concubine. And then she hated him for it? So that's how it all went down. I just can't understand how do you still love someone that's doing this? I blew it up. Where's my son? Nah, he dead, bro. Oh, god damn. She smacked the fuck out of her. Hey, yo, smack your mama too real quick. One time for the one time, bro. What's she doing? And you just thinking to yourself, you gonna do something? Hey, smack the fuck out of him, please. Stab him, something. As a final act, take responsibility for once in your life. God damn. Beat the shit out of mama. The Tanuki master of the village of foxes. Let's pull off one last trick. Oh, they made an avalanche. Yeah, bro. I don't think your tricks are gonna work. Hey, yo, hit her with a swift push right now. Push her off this bitch. I'll see mother off the fucking balcony. Take responsibility. Stop being a pussy. Oh, that's an army, bro. Oh no, we don't have weapons. Yo, what in the kingdom? Oh, that's some kingdom shit. Get dead, bro. Oh my god. You're dead. Who tacticed it? Who tactitized it? Who strategized it? Wait, what? What do you say? The eunuch with the beauty of a heavenly goddess. Oh, does this have something to do with before when he was like, oh, I'm surprised that you had the same body type as the stand-in? Bro, y'all need to do more sneak attacks. Having people live. Yo, that's dope. We love it when people are living. Have more living. Like Mau Mau. He doesn't want to be the guy that's like part of when the very important person died, right? Oh, you idiots. Y'all did. Is that? Yeah, it's Jinshi. There's no way he would be here. Bro, my mom be pissing me off. I'm not gonna lie. She's so in denial, bro. It's Jinshi. Mau, my love. It's snake blood. Yeah, I was like cooking up some snakes and shit, you know. Yeah, he capped. Damn, you're younger than you look. That's, hey, wait, no. 25 is not even a bad age, bro. That just means he looks mature. 20 is the new 30. Oh, dude, back in these days, actually, 25 is like, that's a midlife crisis. You're probably dead by 50. Damn. 25 is probably 40, actually. I was kidnapped. Yo, like, wait, is she, are they talking about Lock-On? Because she said not to say his name, just call him the old guy. That man Lock-On got so upset he threw out his back. This is very in line with his plan. The eternal slumber. Damn. Yeah, she hates that. The face she's making. I want to see the face. What is the face she's making? She's making like a... I'll do what Shisui entrusted me with. Wait, what is the thing that Shisui entrusted her with? Chat, I wasn't paying attention. Did we find out what the thing was? Or did they hit us with one of those? They didn't say shit. Damn, it's one of those fucking things. Anyways, man, good episode. Good episode. What did you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Click the like button so this video performs even better. Till next time, make sure you all keep it fresh.